Hey everyone, welcome back. Kenny Kizzle over at Rusty Nuts Ranch. I'm just out in the backyard relaxing a little bit. I did a bunch of yard work today, and I've noticed that on my channel I've hit 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely unbelievable. I couldn't believe it when I saw it, but that means I should hopefully be getting contacted again by YouTube and getting my Google AdSense profit sharing stuff back. And I just want to emphasize, it's not like I was making a lot of money before, but you know, that extra $100 every 2-3 months was kind of a nice surprise in the mail. So thanks a lot to everybody that's supported me this whole time, and to everybody that sent me gifts, and everybody that's shared my page, and everybody that's subscribed. It really means a lot. I never imagined that my channel would go anywhere, and not that it's by any means viral, but 1,000 subscribers, I guess, is a pretty big milestone from what I'm told. So that's awesome. I'm glad you guys enjoy watching the channel, and it's fun hanging out, and hopefully we can do some more live streams. But right now I really don't have anything that is worth live streaming. But yeah, that's awesome. I want to give a big thanks to everybody, and I'm gonna do a giveaway here coming up just to celebrate the 1,000 subscriber mark. I'm not sure what it's gonna be. It'll probably be more questions, but you know, similar things that I've done in the past, you know, the trivia questions and stuff. I'll just have to find some things that I want to use for questions and then go from there. But yeah, stay tuned for that one. But later on today, I'm gonna get picked up by Tony, and I finally pushed him over the edge of that green color, so he's venturing into a little bit of red. That's all I'm gonna let you guys know for now. But Tony's gonna pick me up, and we're gonna do a little bit more rust hunting this evening. So it'll be a quick one because I have to work tonight. I worked last night, so it'll be a quick drive out there, quick drive back. But the good thing is it's only about probably 15 minutes from my house here. So stay tuned for that, and we'll do some more video when we get out there. All right, talk to you later. Turn your wheels the other way, Tony. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I don't know if that one's gonna hold air.
Yeah, it's pretty low on it. First, I gotta get the city runner. I have to get this seat fixed.
You gotta turn left.
Yeah.
Well, there it is, Tony's new project, Farmall F12. Not sure on the year of it yet, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. Needs tires. I think the motor's stuck on number 3 cylinder, but all right, got the F12 home. Don't worry so much about the front end. Alright guys, we've got the F12 parked in its spot for now, and we checked the serial number, and that is serial number 121311, which puts this at a 1938. The tires are pretty much ruined on this one, dry rotted and everything, but motor is stuck, and I saw also that the throttle lever that goes into, I believe this is I want to say this is probably the governor housing and whatever controls the fuel pump. I don't know, I'm not very familiar with these F12s. I know they have the fuel pump on them, but I don't think the governor is in here, so it's got to be on this side. Some of you guys who are F12 experts probably know, but this is definitely, I would say this is the governor, and then there's also your fuel pump down here, and it's a downdraft carburetor, so that's up top. But we looked in all the cylinders as best we could with that camera that I've got that plugs into my smartphone, and I think cylinder 3 is probably the culprit that's stuck. So I think we're going to tear the head off this thing and start looking at it. But here it is, Tony's new project. So it's going to sit here for probably a little while until he gets his Model B finished up. He's got a John Deere B. He's trying to iron some kinks out on. And then as soon as that's done, I'm sure he'll start work on this. And I'll probably work on it a little bit here and there since it's at the house here, but I've got so much going on with all my tractors that it's kind of going to be tough, but we'll make it work. We always do. So anyhow, I've got some life changes coming my way, and this weekend Janessa and I, my fiance and I, are going up to our first vacation in probably almost a year. So it'd be nice to have a good 4-day stretch of days off. But anyways, that's all I've got for this video. Thanks for coming along with us. Thanks for well, watching. We didn't do any wrenching, but thanks for watching and hunting with us. So we'll talk to you guys later, and stay tuned for the next video because that'll be a giveaway. Alright, thanks everybody for